Let's just start off with the session. Today's session is about Zoho WorkDrive in Zoho Workplace. And the agenda for today's session is about Workplace Bundle, a shared cloud platform, and how you can collaborate better using our Workplace Bundle. And we will also be diving deep into WorkDrive as to all the features that is available and how you can understand the platform better and what are all the takeaways. So here you can see that Zoho Workplace is a collaborative platform where you'll be able to enhance the way you collaborate, communicate, and that again will enhance the productivity of yourself. So Zoho Workplace is a bundle which comprises of 8 different applications. And when you're working with one application itself, you will be switching between a lot of applications and you wouldn't even know. You don't have to toggle between each of the applications to make use of the same. You just have to work with one, and without you noticing, you'll be jumping to the next and jumping to the next. So for example, if you're working with mail and if you would like to share that mail and communicate with somebody else, you just have to click on the click button, which is a chat application, and you can directly go to the communicating platform to communicate about the mail. And from there, you can also start up a meeting to talk about the mail to some of the external participants you have. So that's how easily you can switch between applications. And to talk about the apps that is comprising Zoho Workplace, the first application is our email solution, which is an award-winning solution, to be honest. We have received numerous awards for the email security, and that's the email solution we have in Zoho Workplace. And Zoho Mail also has a lot of significant features such as secure pass email, and it also has mailbox delegation. It has quite a lot of exciting features, and I would recommend all of you to check it out and see how it benefits you. And then we have under collaboration, the file management tool, Zoho WorkDrive. And that is obviously the key topic of today's session. So we will have enough time to talk about Zoho WorkDrive. So I'm leaving this part for now, but this is a file management tool which will let you to collaborate better. And you also have the Office editors. So Zoho WorkDrive is powered by Office editors. It has its own Zoho Writer where you'll be able to bring out the best writer in you and create your documents. You'll be able to collaborate with your Office colleagues and let them see your document or edit your document or comment on your document depending on the access you give them. You also have Sheet available. So for you to create your spreadsheets, you have your Zoho Sheet, and you also have Show, which allows you to create presentation. So today's presentation, whatever I'm running for you today, is itself was created by Zoho Show. And you have calendar. So when we are talking about collaboration, definitely we can't leave calendar out, shall we? So here, you can get to schedule your meetings, your conferences, and not just that, you can also collaborate with your colleagues in a way where you can invite them for events, let them know what event they should be a part of, or you can also share the entire calendar to somebody else saying that this is my schedule, please have a look at the same. If at all you are wanting to invite me for any meetings or conferences, make sure you know my schedule prior to that. So all of this is available if you are using Zoho Calendar here. And to talk about the flexibility aspect, you have Click come into the picture. Click is a chatting application where you get to connect with your office colleagues just like that. Even if you're working in a hybrid environment, obviously you will have to connect with your professional circle in order for your business to be running. So that is Click for you. And Click also has different modes of communication such as audio calls, video calls, screen sharing session. So let's just take for an example, you are talking about a design aspect where you are talking something visual to the person, but if you're narrating to the person, it's going to be difficult. So a screen sharing session would be much more preferred in that situation, right? And even if you would like to talk to the person by looking them into the eye, you can also do a video session with them and you can talk to them as well. So that's about Click. And in the flexibility aspect, we also have Meeting. If you would like to conduct meeting for your external participants, you can conduct meeting as well. And this meeting platform has all of the extensive feature that a meeting platform requires. And last of all, but definitely not the least, the happiness aspect. Why do I call this the happiness aspect is Zoho Connect is an application whose prior or primitive motive is to bring in all of the organization users to one platform, let them engage and bond. That itself is the motive of this particular application. Here you can see management town hall. Town hall is a feature, just a feature. It has numerous features in Connect application, but just a feature, town hall, which lets you to post questions and let panelists answer those questions. You can elect your own panelist, you can select them and have them in the meeting and they get to answer. A live example of this feature is even in our company, we will post a lot of questions when such meeting is conducted in town hall, and our CEO would come on live and he will give us all the answers we need. So this allows us to feel that our voice is being heard and we have a lot more clarity towards what we are running towards, and that again helps us work more efficiently. So that's exactly why I named this as the happiness aspect. And since we saw all the apps that comprises Zoho Workplace, now it's important for us to understand why you need a Zoho, why you need to choose Zoho Workplace, because all of these solutions are available with other vendors as well. How Zoho Workplace stands unique is it has its own integrated security. Security is the foremost and first priority of Zoho and Zoho Workplace. And we have made it to a point that we follow all the regulations and compliance that is laid out across all the regions of the globe. And here you can see, for example, EU has laid the GDPR compliance. So we did not make it to a point that we have to only apply it to EU region. We have made it possible across all the regions across the globe as well. And here, this it is achieved by giving the product to you at an affordable price. We do not cost it at a range since we are bringing it all to the table. This is almost, you can see the words of a customer right on the screen itself. You can see that this customer says by choosing Zoho Workplace, they have cut about 60% cost. So as an enterprise customer, as an employee, you would understand the magnitude of advantage this is going to give you if you're going to cut such huge percentage of cost, right? So when I'm talking about affordability, you might think, okay, they're giving it in an affordable price, but will it have an effect on the features they're providing or the security aspect they're providing? No, this does not cut corners with the security aspect at all. All of the security aspects, the compliance, the regulations is all given to you at this price itself. And the capabilities, I've listed some for you to have a reference of the same. Here you can see the advanced admin console features that is available, S/MIME encryption, routing, and you also have shared mailbox, audit management, and you can also build your own tools using the developer console, and you can plug it inside your Zoho Mail application. So all of these capabilities also comes with a pricing that is available in the affordable scale. Now, here you have a flexible pricing model as well. So if you feel, okay, there are few pricing, that is 3 different pricing listed, and if I have to just choose one subscription for my entire organization, the answer is no. You don't have to do that. You can choose different pricings and you can allocate to the specific set of users for whoever it will suit them the best. And for different set of users, if you want to go with a different pricing model, you can also choose that for them. This is the flexible pricing model for you, and there is absolutely no user limit. So if at all you want to add countless number of users for different subscriptions, you shall do so, and you can add them under different subscriptions. That's about flexible pricing. So I think I've given you an enough idea of how this Zoho Workplace is going to benefit you, what all it comprises, and what are the cutting corner advantages it has for you. Now that we discussed enough about Zoho Workplace, Monisha, now that we know Zoho Workplace brings collaborative apps into one integrated view, where does Zoho WorkDrive come into play?
Great question, Priyanka. So, in today's session, we'll focus on Zoho WorkDrive and its role in enhancing collaboration within workplace. We'll cover several key segments, including organizing your documents and configuring roles with a communal space called the team folders. Plus, where there are multiple members working together, you can utilize tools to keep track of changes and manage file versions. We'll also explore the smart search options available within the product, ensuring efficient document management and retrieval. In WorkDrive, you can organize and manage your documents in two distinct areas: My Folders and Team Folders. As you can see on the screen, My Folders provides everyone on your team with a personal space within this collaborative DMS structure, while Team Folders bring team members together in one place to facilitate internal discussions and document creation and for modifications. Additionally, you can designate a team folder as either private or public. When set to private, only the members added to the team folder can access the data, allowing you to segregate and provide access to smaller groups within your WorkDrive team. When set to public, the folder becomes visible to all members of the WorkDrive team to join.
That makes sense. With this option, I can grant specific member access to confidential or sensitive data without making it available to a larger audience.
Exactly, Priyanka. Now let's move on how you can provide access to these team folders to your team members.
I'm on board with providing access to the team folders, but what if I want certain members, like newly joined employees, only to view the documents without the ability to edit or delete them? Additionally, I'd like certain members to be administrators of a particular team folder, giving them complete access to the data and control over the members.
Yes, indeed, Priyanka. Managing and roles and permissions is essential for data security and management. WorkDrive allows you to set specific roles for your team members within a team folder. You can assign them role of viewer to new employees, which restricts them to viewing documents only. Other roles include commenter, and with editors, they can work on documents, and organizers and admins can manage and have complete access to the data of members within that team folder.
That's exactly what I was looking for. It's crucial to have these role based permissions when multiple members access the organization's documents. Now I have a question on how can my team members and I can bring documents into WorkDrive.
All right, so addressing this question, Priyanka, I would like to tell you that you can bring any file formats from your desktop and even pick them up from other cloud services onto WorkDrive. Plus, WorkDrive supports creating audio, video, and screen recordings, and you can also leverage our advanced Zia AI to generate content and images. Additionally, as product developers ourselves, we understand the importance of coding efficiency. That's the reason we have included the code snippets feature, allowing developers to easily copy, paste, or upload code snippets directly within the WorkDrive platform. But we don't stop here. WorkDrive also includes its own Office suite featuring Writer, Sheet, and Show, enabling you to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations.
Wow, that's a lot of options for bringing documents onto this platform, especially options like leveraging AI or incorporating other cloud services as well.
Yes, indeed. We do not want our users to have wide range of options to bring and work on documents on these new add-ons to WorkDrive, which we will dive deep at the end of this webinar. And adding this to our next topic focuses on another feature for bringing in documents to collaborate effectively. So the next feature is called the email in feature, which allows both internal users and external users to send documents as attachments directly to the designated team folder using a unique email address assigned to the each team folder. Bonus points of having this feature is you have the flexibility to configure which specific subfolder within the team folder structure will receive these email attachments.
I believe this is going to be incredibly useful for organizations transitioning to a digital platform, especially for scanning and sending documents directly to WorkDrive from scanners.
Exactly. So you've captured the core benefit of this feature perfectly, Priyanka.
Thank you, Monisha. Adding to this, do we have any more upload options to explore in WorkDrive?
Yes. So to wrap up this discussion on data onboarding, let's talk about our inbuilt migration tool designed specifically for bringing in data from Google Workspace, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Just a few simple steps, you can migrate all your data and team members to the WorkDrive platform. Post migration, data remains intact in your Google, Dropbox, and OneDrive platforms while being transferred to WorkDrive.
That sounds fantastic, Monisha. This tool will be incredibly valuable for efficiently onboarding data, especially for Google Workspace users when they are migrating over to Workplace Bundle. It allows for the transfer of emails, files, contacts, and calendars all at once or in stages.
Absolutely, Priyanka. So this migration can be performed by users themselves, or they can anytime reach our customer support team who are available round the clock to assist you throughout the process. With that said, let's explore how you can utilize the data once it's onboarded.
From the GIF, it looks like this feature helps track notifications for changes in files or folders. Is that correct?
Exactly, Priyanka. So when multiple people are collaborating on documents, staying updated on changes is crucial. This feature called team folder activity or following updates, this feature lets you configure notifications for file or folder activities by choosing to receive alerts via email or in-app notifications or both. You can receive the notifications via both email and bell notifications. It tracks updates such as file versions changes, renames, comments, and folder actions like creations, uploads, additions, or removals.
That's impressive. What's up next?
So let's talk about the file versions. When multiple users or even an individual work on a document repeatedly, then modifications are combined and saved as a new version. In WorkDrive, you can easily manage these versions by selecting your preferred version as the latest, saving new versions as separate files, or using our new bulk deletion feature. This allows you to configure how many of the most recent versions you want to keep and automatically delete the rest.
That's fantastic. The bulk version delete option will definitely simplify managing file versions. Following up on file versions, Monisha, can you elaborate on how the search feature works in WorkDrive?
Definitely. So, when you have a vast number of files and folders, retrieving a specific document can be challenging. However, WorkDrive simplifies this process with its advanced search capabilities. You can search for files and folders by name, location, file type, date, or even perform content searches using keywords or even the text within the images. As a bonus, WorkDrive's Smart Search can detect objects in images, making document retrieval even more efficient.
That sounds impressive. WorkDrive certainly offers advanced search options for document retrievals. So, what's our next focus?
So, Priyanka, did you know that WorkDrive can be accessed from different platforms simultaneously, supporting collaborative actions?
Yes, I believe I'm familiar with this. You can indeed work on your documents together from the web, desktop, and the mobile platforms.
Exactly, Priyanka. So you can access WorkDrive from your preferred browsers from your desktop using our TrueSync app supported both on Windows and Mac OS from our mobile app available both on iOS and Android. Additionally, we have WorkDrive Genie to help you work on various file formats in their native environments on your desktop. For example, you can open a PSD file directly in Adobe Photoshop on your desktop via the Genie app.
Those collaborative tools are impressive. So far, I understand where WorkDrive fits in the workplace bundle. I'm eager to know what our next segment is all about.
Now, Zoho WorkDrive serves as a centralized document repository for the workplace bundle. WorkDrive not only facilitates collaboration on documents, but also acts as a common ground for organizations to work together seamlessly across various apps within the workplace ecosystem. From our previous walkthrough, we have seen various ways to bring in your data. Once imported, you can easily pick and attach files from Zoho Click, our team communication software, or with Zoho Mail as attachments.
That sounds like a great way to enhance collaboration. Monisha, What's next in our agenda?
Next, in this segment, we'll explore how WorkDrive integrates with Zoho Click, Zoho Connect, and Zoho Mail in the workplace bundle, bringing in collaboration and productivity across these shared platforms.
So, Monisha, can you explain how the integration between Zoho Mail and WorkDrive works?
Absolutely. So, before the migration can work, you'll need to enable the WorkDrive extension in your Zoho Mail platform. With this integration from your Zoho Mail, you can click the e-widget icon and enable WorkDrive from the right panel. Once that's done, you'll see a small WorkDrive icon for quick access to the WorkDrive platform.
Ah, that's convenient. And how does this work?
So when you click this WorkDrive icon, you can easily pick files from WorkDrive by navigating the WorkDrive UI. You can attach files as links or as copies, essentially as attachments. Additionally, you can configure access settings for attached files, such as only the recipients of this particular email or anyone on the internet, and more. This integration between Mail and WorkDrive simplifies the process of attaching documents without having to search through your desktop and gives you control over who can access the attached files.
That's fantastic, Monisha. Now I don't have to worry about losing documents since I have them all available in WorkDrive and quickly pick them while sending emails to clients or to my team.
Yes, that's the idea, Priyanka. Now let's see how you can share your documents from Zoho Click. So if you see this Zoho Click, apart from the emails, internal teams often exchange ideas for initiating discussions, and we won't be always depending on Zoho mails or email. So to share the knowledge, we use Zoho Click, or in such cases, WorkDrive can serve as a medium to pick, add, or share documents with your team. For example, when a new employee joins the team, a lead can easily share process documents with a new hire. It doesn't necessarily need to be picked from the Click platform. Even when documents are shared with the team members, they will be notified via Click.
That seems so simplified. Plus, in this GIF, I can also see that you can set access permissions as well, which is secure. Now I'm curious to know how Zoho connects supercharged collaborative actions using Zoho WorkDrive.
Yeah. So basically, Zoho Connect is an intranet for employee engagement. Think it of as your organization's very own private social network by enabling the entire organization to share ideas, hold real time discussions, and work together. In these scenarios, adding necessary documents to post in Connect is crucial for reference. For example, imagine a marketing team managing a new product launch. They might need to collaborate on various documents, presentations, and spreadsheets with the entire team to get insights and extend discussions. Picking your documents from WorkDrive serves this purpose perfectly.
Yes, this integration is incredibly handy. Recently, I was working on a project and needed input on a report from different teams, including product development, QA, and security. Instead of reaching out individually to each team, using Connect plus WorkDrive would have been the best choice to simplify the process. Now I see how WorkDrive acts as a central repository, enhancing teamwork within the Zoho Workplace suite.
Yes. So moving on to our next segment would be the Zoho Office Suite, comprising Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, and Zoho Show to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So here we'll start with Zoho Writer first, which is a powerful online word processor designed to meet all your document creation and collaboration needs.
Zoho Writer sounds interesting, Monisha. What sets it apart from other word processors?
Great question, Priyanka. So Zoho Writer offers real-time collaboration, seamless formatting options, and advanced document automations. Whether you're drafting a simple letter or creating complex reports, Zoho Writer provides the right tools and the flexibility you need.
That sounds great. Can you tell us more about document automation?
Exactly, Priyanka. So, in this segment, we'll explore the document automation tools available in Zoho Writer. Besides merging documents, sending them for signatures, or creating fillable forms, Zoho Writer also supports workflows for document review and approval. This helps streamline your document management process, ensuring every document is reviewed and approved efficiently.
That sounds great. Could you elaborate on what document merging involves?
Certainly. So, as a workplace user, you have access to Mail Merge feature available in both Zoho Mail and Zoho Writer. In essence of this, Zoho Mail's Mail Merge is tailored for personalized email campaigns. For example, you can send personalized invitations to a list of email addresses stored in a spreadsheet, while Zoho Writer's Mail Merge is designed for generating customized documents like invoices, letters, certificates, etc. So imagine you run a business that needs to send invoices to clients regularly. While details like item descriptions and payment terms stay the same, you need to customize things like client names, invoice IDs, and item quantities. That's where the document merging comes in. By linking a data source with your invoice template, you can automatically generate personalized invoices for each client, cutting down on manual entry and errors. Once merged, you can save the invoices directly to WorkDrive. From there, you can edit, email, or send them for signatures all in one workflow.
That indeed simplifies the process, making it easier to design professional templates in Writer and manage dynamic fields efficiently from the data source. But as you mentioned, can I have these documents sent to my clients to get their signatures as well?
Of course, yes. So Zoho Writer offers a robust signing feature by integrating it with Zoho Sign. You can configure signers directly from your data source or add them manually. Additionally, you can set advanced options such as sign expiry dates, reminders, and configure post signing actions like whether you want the signed documents to be saved in WorkDrive, email, or trigger a custom function. Zoho Writer plus Zoho Sign has got you covered.
Understood, Monisha. But let's say I want my clients to fill out documents like when a series of events or seminars. I need to send out invitations to attendees and gather their details to improve the participants' experience and collect valuable feedback for future events.
So, yes, it can be achieved, Priyanka. With Zoho Writers, fillable documents are perfect for this. You can add text fields, check boxes, and radio buttons for your end users to fill out their information, making it ideal for registration forms, feedback surveys, and session evaluations. Plus, you can set it up automatically save completed forms to WorkDrive. I want to highlight that publishing and receiving submissions on fillable documents is a premium feature available through the DocuFiller add on. This add on can be purchased on a monthly or yearly basis and will be available to your entire organization.
That sounds like a handy feature. Fillable templates will definitely smoothen the process for such cases.
Exactly. So now let's move on to Zoho Sheet. It's a it's packed with features that make data handling simple. Thanks to its automated data processor, AI assisted analytics, and over 1,000 plus integrations. When compared with Excel, Zoho offers unique features like merging data records from various sources, user specific cell log, and smart data cleaning tool. Plus, you can tackle everything from simple math to complex formulas with over 350 plus functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, import range, hyperlink, wrap, browse, columns, zoom if, text split, etc. Plus, tools like auto-completion of formulas, contextual side panes, and syntax snippets help you these functions effortlessly. If you need something more personalized for your business, Zoho lets you create custom functions with minimal coding using Deluge integration. For tasks like reconciling financial records, you can use VBA macros to import and align data from various sources. Combine this with data cleaning tools to sort out inconsistencies and ensure everything matches up perfectly.
Oh, I see. Essentially, you can use functions and tools like data cleaning and BBA macros to optimize and improve data handling workflows, resulting in more effective and precise results. Adding to this, where does the custom function come into play?
So, if you see each organization might need customized reports that include specific metrics and KPIs not available through standard Zoho Sheet functions. They often require tailored dashboards that update in real time. In such cases, users can develop custom functions in Zoho Sheet to calculate these unique metrics, such as sales forecast, commission calculations for different regions, and region specific performance indicators.
Now I can see how custom functions help automate complex calculations, data transformations, and customized reporting.
Yes, Priyanka. So next lined up is our Zoho Office Suite, that is Zoho Show, a powerful tool for creating stunning presentations. With Zoho Show, you can design professional sites, collaborate with your team in real time, and deliver visually engaging presentations. Do you know, Priyanka, that you can even do a live virtual conference or webinar where you need to present information to a large or remote audience? Plus, you can ensure that brand consistency in all corporate presentations by using master slides to control over the design, layout, and formatting. And finally, you can work together with your team to create compelling presentations.
That sounds fantastic, Monisha. I love how Zoho Show makes it easy to create and share professional presentations across different devices. For live virtual conferences and ensuring brand consistency are major advantages. And I see this webinar deck itself was created using Zoho Show.
Yes, it is. Now, before we move to the next topic, I would like to have everyone to participate on our third poll. And the question for our third poll is, which integration do you find most beneficial for your business operations? Integration with Click or WorkDrive, Zoho Mail or WorkDrive, or is it Zoho Connect or WorkDrive? I guess most of our participants are using Zoho Mail and Zoho WorkDrive. That's really impressive.
Monisha, can we continue with the session then?
Please.
Yes. I noticed we are about to dive into the latest updates in WorkDrive for workplace users. Can you walk us through what's new?
Okay, absolutely, Priyanka. So, in the upcoming slides, we will focus on WorkDrive Snap, code snippets, generative AI, and chunk upload. So, let's start with one of the new exciting feature that's WorkDrive's advanced upload management. Imagine you're working on a large video project for a client and need to upload multiple gigabytes of raw footage to WorkDrive. Previously, a single interruption in your connection could mean starting the entire upload process over again. Now, with our enhanced upload management system, instead of uploading the entire file in one go, WorkDrive now breaks the file into smaller segments. Each segment is uploaded individually, which not only makes the process faster but also reliable. If your internet connection drops, you won't lose your progress. When you reconnect, WorkDrive resumes the upload from where it left off, handling only the remaining segments. Additionally, you have the flexibility to pause and resume uploads as needed. For example, if you need to prioritize your bandwidth for a video call, you can pause the upload and resume it later without any hassle.
That sounds like a game changer for handling large files. It's great to know that I won't have to start from scratch if my upload is interrupted. So to confirm, I can pause and upload midway and continue it later without losing progress, right? And if I lose my connection, the system will only need to re upload the part that failed, not the whole file.
Exactly, Priyanka. So you've got it correctly. Now let's move on to our next exciting feature, that is code snippets. So with this, you can directly paste code into WorkDrive, which will automatically detect and format the programming language. For instance, if you paste a JavaScript function in WorkDrive, it will recognize the format of the code, and accordingly, it makes easier for your team to review and collaborate on the code.
That's really useful. It definitely simplifies code management and team collaboration.
Yes, indeed. So one of our major feature with a new exciting feature is the AI integration. With Zia AI of WorkDrive, Zia helps to enhance or generate content and images, making productivity and data crafting more cohesive.
That sounds interesting. How exactly does Zia improve the work tribe experience?
For example, imagine your marketing team need to quickly generate content for a campaign. With Zia AI, you can instantly create high quality content and images without leaving the WorkDrive platform. Zia also provides smart comment suggestions and generate cover images for your media files, saving your time and effort.
Zia not only helps with content creation but also enhances collaboration by providing smart suggestions. That's impressive.
Exactly. So these features ensures that your team can work more efficiently and creatively. So let's move on to our next feature, that is WorkDrive Snap. WorkDrive Snaps allow you to record your screen, audio, and video directly within the WorkDrive platform.
Sounds really useful. Can you give us a practical example of how this might be used?
Sure thing, Priyanka. So imagine you're working on a complex project and need to explain a technical issue to a remote team member. Instead of writing a long email, you can quickly record a video explaining the issue, showing your screen, and pointing out the problem areas. Once recorded, you can review the video, decide whether to save it, or then share it with your team right from WorkDrive.
I can see how that would save a lot of time and improve communication. Plus, having the ability to review and control the recordings before sharing ensures that the right message is conveyed.
Exactly, Priyanka. So, this feature enhances collaboration and makes it easier to communicate complex information effectively.
To wrap up today's session, let's quickly recap the highlights of what we've covered. Firstly, Zoho Workplace is designed to be a cohesive bridge for your business operations by bringing together tools for email, conferencing, team messaging, and document and collaboration. Zoho Workplace ensures seamless teamwork from anywhere, be it on the web, desktop, or mobile. We took a closer look at Zoho WorkDrive. We explored its functions as a central hub for document management, whether you are arranging files in My Folders or Team Folders, setting roles and permissions, or making use of advanced features such as smart search and file versioning. Tracking important files and folders, or utilizing the built in migration tool WorkDrive seamlessly. WorkDrive streamlines your document management and collaboration efforts. We also saw how the workplace bundles allows WorkDrive to integrate seamlessly with Click, Connect, and Mail, enhancing your productivity across various platforms, ensures a smooth and efficient transition to digital collaboration.
Yes, and adding to this, we have also explored Zoho Office Suite, including Zoho Writer, Sheet, and Show. Each tool offers robust features for document creation, data management, and presentation, making it easy to handle everything from simple letters to complex reports. Finally, we have also highlighted some of the latest updates in WorkDrive, such as advanced upload management, code snippets, support, via AI integration, and WorkDrive Snap. Features are designed to boost your productivity and collaboration even more effective. With that, so we are now winding up the session.
Great. We'd like to extend our gratitude to all the fantastic participants who joined us for this informative webinar and engaged with us by asking questions and participating in the poll today. You have been wonderful. We hope the session on WorkDrive within the Zoho Workplace bundle was valuable and will help you maximize its use.
And if you want to revisit any of the topics discussed or would like our colleagues to check out the session, you will receive an email with a complete recording. You can also find our previous webinars in the recorded tab on WorkDrive's registration page as well as the workplace registration page. And we would like to extend our special thanks to our workplace team, Priyanka, to have joined this webinar. Beyond this webinar, our dedicated support teams from both Workplace and WorkDrive are available around the clock to assist you. So you can make a note of the contact options shown here on the screen. These are our contact numbers for both Workplace and WorkDrive. Have a dedicated contact email address for EU region customers as well. If you have any questions, queries, or if you encounter any issues, our support team is always available, a step away from mail, chat, and phone call. So thank you so much for being a wonderful participant. Having a good day to all. Thank you.